We're going to install the Soft Close accessory by National Hardware. With this accessory, you'll add a gentle, soft close feature to your interior sliding door. The Soft Close kit has a discreet design that makes it easy to install. Here's what you'll need to install it. First, we'll remove our sliding door from its track and remove the anti-jump discs from the door. Position one actuator on the center of the door with the lip on the front face of the door. Mark the holes and drill the holes to install. When you're done installing the actuator, put the door on the track. Now install the correct soft close assembly for your application. The angled lever must be closest to the center of your track. Center the catch gap on the pencil mark at the center of the track. Install a mounting bracket on both ends of the soft close assemblies as high as possible on the slotted holes. Make sure the set screws are flush with the insides of the mounting brackets. Use a hex wrench to tighten set screws to secure mounting brackets to the track. Pull the catch toward the center of the track so that the soft close assembly is in the open position. Here, you may need to use a little force. To finish installing the soft close assembly, we'll do the same thing on the other side of the track. National Hardware's Soft Close kit is simple to install and a great way to easily and discreetly create a smooth and quiet closing solution to our barn door. National Hardware. Inspiration made easy.